Morning children. Our today's topic is how to change height and width of a row or a column. Till now we have seen how to create a table in HTML. Children, we know that HTML is the language which is used to design web pages. Okay, then we have seen what are the basic table tags and table tag attributes like bg color, border, etc. Today, let us see how to write program using all these attributes and tags. See children, each and every HTML document start with HTML command. Okay, so we have to write these commands within angular bracket because this is HTML is a tag based language. Okay, so first command HTML. See, I have written somewhere in small, somewhere in caps because it's not a case sensitive language. That means even if you write in uppercase or lowercase, it doesn't matter. So first HTML, then head. Head contains the title of the web page. Over here I have given title height and width. Okay, this title is going to appear on the title bar, which is the topmost bar of any window. Okay, then after giving title, close title tag, close head tag, because these are container tags. If we are opening it, we have to close it. Then comes body tag. Body tag, bg color. Over here I have written yellow. I want background color of my web page as yellow, and text is equals to blue. That means whatever the data, whatever the information table I am writing over there on the web page, it should appear in blue color and background yellow color. Remember children, in output we are going to see all these things. Background color should be yellow and text should be blue. See, I have written like this. Okay, then basic table tag is table. If we want to insert or define a table, we have to write this table tag. Table border is equals to 9. I have given the thickness of the border as 9 pixels. Okay, and border color I have given as a black. Border's thickness is 9 and border color is black. See, we have to write it like this. Table border is equals to 9, border color is equals to black. And then table row, whatever the table I have created, now I have to create the rows in, isn't it? TR stands for table row, which specifies the horizontal row or cells. Over here, this table rows height 100, width 100. See, it's our today's topic, height and width. Height and width we can give it in pixels or in percentage also. Over here I am using pixels. See, this height is going to get applicable for this table row only, not for full table. If we have to give this height and width 100 for table, then we have to write it over here. Table, border color, height and width. But we are closing this tag over here and we are writing as TR, height is equals to 100, width is equals to 100. That means this height and width is going to get applicable for this table row only, which we are going to write down. See this table header. Okay, my table should have 3 columns, that is roll number, name and grade. And whatever this row is there, where roll number is written, name is written, grade is written, to this row only this height and width is going to get applicable for this particular table row only. Okay, then table header, this should be heading for my columns, that is roll number, name and grade. TH roll number slash TH, TH name slash TH, TH grade slash TH. We are going to write slash for this as this is a container tag. We have to close this and then slash TR. Whatever the TR we have opened over here, this one, we are going to write the slash TR for that. Okay, now we are going to insert records in that. Okay, so another table row we have to open. Table row width. Over here, see, I am using percentage sign, 80%. TR width should be 80%. Then table data, TD1 slash TD, TD Nisha slash TD, TD A / TD. What is this? This is the data for these columns, roll number, name and grade, which we have defined. Roll number 1, name should be Nisha and grade is A. Okay. Then /tr, we have closed this table row. Now Again, one more record I want to insert. Again, we are going to open table row. Over here, I am using pixels. Width is equals to 6 pixels. Okay. Now, table data 2/table data John /table data B plus /table data. This is what? This is my second record of the table. Okay. What is that? That is roll number 2. Name is John and its grade is B plus. Okay. This is second record of my table. Now we are going to close this table row. Now third record I want to insert. Over here I am using pixels again. TR width is equals to 9 pixels. Now table data 3/table data Asha /table data A plus /table data. This is the third record which I am going to insert in my table. That is roll number 3. Name is Asha and grade is A plus. Then table data /table /body. Since we have opened this TR over here, we have to write the closing tag for this table row. Okay. Over here we are going to write closing tag, that is /tr. Okay. /tr. Okay. We have closed this table row. Now we can see /table. Table is a container tag. So once we have opened, we have to close this /table /body, and the last statement is /html. Now children, we are going to save it. Save this file, save as, I am saving it on desktop, height and width .html. We have to give extension .html for HTML programs. Save. Yes. Okay, now let us see children how the output appears. See, this is my file, height and width. I am going to open it. See children, this is the output of our program. Remember, background color yellow, text is blue, border you can see thickness of the border of the table, and you can see we have given height and width as 100 pixel for first header. See, roll number, name and grade. Like this, we can increase or decrease the height and width of a particular row or particular column also. This is how the output appears on the screen. To understand it in a better way, watch the YouTube video which I am sending along with this.